Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ático Escaleras is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your home, transforming an underutilized space into a valuable asset. Finding the perfect one depends on various factors, from the size and layout of your attic to your personal style and budget. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the ideal attic ladder, ensuring you make an informed decision that meets your specific needs and enhances your home's functionality and aesthetics. Number 5. FAKRO LMS Attic Ladder. This attic ladder is easy to install and perfect for rough openings of 25 by 47 inches. It's insulated to help save you money on energy costs. It adjusts to fit ceiling heights between 7 feet, 2 inches and 8 feet, 10 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. No more struggling with an ill-fitting ladder. The insulated wooden door frame boasts an impressive R-value of 5.2, significantly reducing energy loss through the attic access. Save money and stay comfortable. It's designed for smooth and easy operation. The well-balanced door opens and closes effortlessly, without any sudden or jerky movements. It supports a maximum weight of 300 pounds, providing reliable access to your attic. And with our 2-year warranty, you can have peace of mind. This ladder is designed for simple installation, saving you time and effort. Get your attic access up and running quickly. What we like. It boasts an easy installation process and superior insulation to reduce energy costs. Its robust build ensures lasting performance. If you need a reliable and energy-efficient solution for your attic access, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This ladder is sturdy but not as light as many others. The twist latch works very well and closes the hatch securely. The rubber seal around the edges keep out dust and drafts. It is easy to open and close this ladder with the supplied pole and square drive end. The opening of 51 inches is adequate to bring 4 feet by 4 foot 3/4-inch plywood into the attic for platforms. This attic ladder is very well made. The pine frame was of same quality as our US Southern pine and was free from knots. Ladder operation is perfect, and climbing is much better and more secure than a step ladder. The sturdiest attic stairs I have ever stood on. Love the locking feature. Installation kit is not necessary. Number 4. FAKRO LWS-PL Attic Ladder. This attic ladder is designed for simple installation, fitting perfectly into your 22 by 54-inch opening. It's the perfect solution for convenient attic access. It easily adjusts to fit ceiling heights between 7 feet, 11 inches and 10 feet, 9 inches, ensuring a comfortable and safe access to your attic. The insulated wooden door frame helps reduce energy costs, keeping your home comfortable and saving you money. It boasts an impressive R-value of 5.2. Its well-balanced design ensures smooth and easy opening and closing, without any sudden or jerky movements. You'll appreciate the safe and controlled operation. It's built to last with a maximum user weight of 300 pounds and is backed by a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. This ladder provides safe and easy access to your attic. Enjoy the convenience and reliability of this high-quality product. What we like. This ladder is also simple to install and features excellent insulation for energy savings. Its sturdy construction guarantees long-term use. If you prioritize ease of installation and energy efficiency, this option is ideal for you. What people say. Has a handrail. It has a pole that locks and unlocks it and pulls it down. Super easy to install. This is a very solid, well constructed and it locks in place. Very good unit, works as expected. Number 3. INTSUPERMAI Attic Ladder. It's designed for wall mounting, providing a safe and convenient access to your attic. This ensures a secure and stable installation. Reaching a maximum height of 10 feet with 12 steps, it's perfect for most attics. You can adjust the height by removing steps if needed. With a 660 pounds weight capacity, it's built to last. Remember to use it one person at a time for safety. Made from strong and lightweight aluminum-magnesium alloy with electrostatic spraying, it's resistant to corrosion and aging. It also looks great in any home. Perfect for attics, roofs, warehouses, or any space needing reliable access. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. What we like. With its impressive weight capacity and versatile wall-mounted design, it's perfect for various spaces. Its robust construction ensures safety and durability. If you need a heavy-duty ladder for a variety of applications, this is the one for you. What people say. They can be stored bent up high beyond little one's reach to prevent all-day access up to the top. It also takes away zero floor space on the bottom level to help preserve more room for activities. It was easy to install, and shipped faster than expected. Number 2. INTSUPERMAI Attic Ladder. It's designed for ceiling mounting, offering easy access to your attic. Simply pull it down when needed and retract it for a clean look. It extends to a maximum height of 10 feet, perfect for most attics. You can also adjust the height by removing steps if needed. Ensure your ceiling opening is 31.5 by 35.4 inches to accommodate it. The ceiling thickness should be between 3.94 and 7.87 inches. It can support up to 600 pounds. For safety, only one person should use it at a time. It's ideal for attics, roofs, warehouses, and more. It's perfect for home improvement projects, both indoors and outdoors. What we like. This model offers a high weight capacity and the convenience of ceiling mounting for easy access. Its sturdy design ensures safety and reliability. If you value convenience and a high weight capacity, this is a great option. What people say. Item arrived promptly, well packed and in perfect condition. It actually hangs on the deck floor using the 4 corner plates. The quality of the product is very good. Number 1. INTBUYING Ceiling Folding Ladder. It's a space-saving attic ladder with a ceiling frame of 31.5 by 35.4 inches. Its sturdy design can support up to 660 pounds. Fully extended, it reaches a height of 9.8 feet, perfect for most attics. It features 12 anti-skid pedals for safe climbing. Opening and closing is effortless thanks to the long pull rod. The rubber pads ensure a secure and damage-free ascent and descent. When folded, it disappears neatly into the ceiling, saving valuable space. It's the ideal solution for a modern, uncluttered home. Easily adjust its height by removing pedals if needed. It's perfect for attics, garages, warehouses, anywhere you need convenient access. What we like. This space-saving design is perfect for smaller attics. It's built to last and features an easy-to-use mechanism. If you're looking for a compact, durable, and user-friendly attic ladder, this is a great choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.